Gentle Rustle, Unveiling the Subtle Sounds of Nature. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of descriptive phrases in English, focusing on the phrase, gentle rustle. Understanding such phrases can enrich your language skills and help you better appreciate the nuances of English. So, let's get started. Gentle rustle is a phrase that combines two words, gentle and rustle. Gentle means soft, light, or mild, not harsh or severe. It often describes something pleasant or soothing. On the other hand, rustle is a verb that describes a soft, muffled sound made by something moving, usually leaves, paper, or fabric. When we say, gentle rustle, we refer to a soft and soothing sound, like leaves moving in a light breeze. The phrase, gentle rustle, is often used to describe nature scenes and quiet moments. It's a sensory description that helps listeners or readers picture a peaceful, serene setting. For example, the gentle rustle of leaves underfoot created a calming atmosphere in the forest. She enjoyed the gentle rustle of the pages as she turned them in her favorite book. In literature and poetry, gentle rustle can have symbolic or metaphorical meanings. It might represent tranquility, subtle changes, or the quiet passing of time. Writers often use it to evoke a specific mood or to draw attention to small, often overlooked details in a scene. The phrase, gentle rustle, is more than just a combination of words. It's a vivid description that brings scenes to life and adds depth to our understanding of the English language. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and adds a new layer to your language learning journey. Keep listening for those gentle rustles in your own life, and until next time, happy learning!